Are you ready to ignite your future with hands-on skills and real-world experiences? The welding program at South Texas STISD Science Academy offers students the opportunity to master cutting-edge techniques in a high-demand industry. Let us begin by introducing our welding instructors. I'm Hector Martinez. This is Robert Quintero and Marco Gonzalez. Join us as Mr. Quintero shows us a tour of our welding program.
Here we have a student using the OFC torch. An OFC torch is a specialized welding tool designed for precision and efficiency in various metalworking applications. It operates using an oxy-fuel gas mixture, allowing for high temperatures that enable effective cuts and welds. This torch is particularly valued for its portability and versatility, making it suitable for both industrial and artistic projects. Here we have a student using fabrication tools for our pipe fitting course. Here we have one of our students getting ready for his industry-based certification. So this student will be taking the AWSD 1.1 welder certification test. It is a widely recognized standard developed by the American Welding Society, and this certification is essential for ensuring that welders possess the necessary skills and knowledge to produce high-quality welds in various applications. Upon passing, the student will receive their certification, demonstrating their competency in welding industry standards.
The welding program at South Texas ISD is designed to equip students with the knowledge, skills, and certifications needed for success in the welding industry. Graduates leave with the entry-level skills required to pursue rewarding careers in various welding industries. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope to see you soon.